Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Delia Mireya. On this video, I will share with you guys how I'm going to be cleaning my house. Hopefully I can get it all done in just one day. I wasn't thinking of filming a video because I have lots to clean and there's so much things all over the place. But then again, I'm like, you know what, might as well share a video while I'm cleaning. It's just that it takes a little bit more time to move the camera around and to be worrying about the filming process. I'm gonna go ahead and share that video with you guys. We went grocery shopping yesterday. I have a couple things that I need to put away, vegetables, bags, and wash a couple dishes. I know that I have to like tidy up around the whole house, clean the bathrooms. I'm also gonna be sharing with you guys another balloon popping video. We did it was just a mini party. Something really funny happened as well, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned to see how I'm gonna be cleaning, and I hope this video motivates you at home to also get to cleaning your home. I'm gonna do a run through to show you guys what the whole house looks like. Let's start off with the kitchen. I'm gonna start off with the kitchen cleanup. I'm gonna be putting everything that needs to be put in its place. This place is one of the messiest places in my home, and I think that the reason for that is because it gets used the most, especially when we come back from grocery shopping. I have to put all the bags away since we do recycle them, to disinfect, wash the fruits and vegetables. And to be honest with you guys, sometimes we do the grocery shopping and we get home and we eat dinner. I don't wash and disinfect the fruit. Like, I leave it in a big container. I just leave it there for the next day. I wake up in the morning, I have all that mess or some of the stuff that I need to pick up. It's a little bit too much for one day. Like, I've had too much for that day. I had to clean, cook, and wash dishes, so I just leave the fruits and vegetables there all night. Not like I'm leaving them for a long time. Well, for example, what I do leave are the tomatoes, the cucumbers, things that will not go bad if I leave them outside. I do it the next day. I wash them, disinfect them, and I make sure that I give them a good clean. I used a disinfecting spray. The name of it is Lift. I think I'm gonna keep purchasing this. Sometimes what I do also is I add a little bit of Dawn dish soap with water. That's how I disinfect my fruits and vegetables, and I make sure to wash them well and to let them air dry. Once they are dried, what I do, sometimes I put a little fan, that way they can dry a little bit faster, and then I can store them away in my fridge. I'm thinking of doing another deep closet clean with me. I haven't done one in, half a year or possibly even a year. I don't remember. I want to deep clean everything, take everything out just for the fall, just to have everything ready for my winter sweaters, outfits, or whatever I have. I want to take stuff that I will not be using anymore. I want to get rid of it, which I think I got rid of it last time, but I want to do a deep cleaning of my closet. I think the last video was 6 months ago, possibly even a year. I think I've been accumulating a couple of stuff. I feel like I haven't purchased so many things, but for some reason things are just not in their place. Does that ever happen to you guys? Are you guys very organized? Is your closet like always right on clean? Mine isn't, and I feel like I have to do a deep cleaning before winter comes. I want to get my sweaters and jackets, get everything ready for the winter, and I want to just get rid of, put everything in bags and donate what I do not use, what no longer fits, which I think I did that in the spring, but for some reason I feel like I want to get rid of more stuff. I just want to minimize my closet once again, and I always feel that way. Like, I have that motivation to clean my closet and I end up not getting rid of as much stuff. So hopefully I will be able to get rid of more stuff. The other day I was washing clothes and it was a whole bunch of clothes, and I'm like, really, do I really have all this clothes? So that's when I got into that motivation, or I was inspired to clean my closet, but that'll be later on. I'll be sharing a video with you guys. I would like to know in the comments below, what are you guys looking forward to in the fall besides the weather? I live here in Arizona, and that's something I'm looking forward to. Obviously, it's so hot, and it's gonna be very hot. We're getting some heat warnings this week and for the next week. I'm gonna be so happy once all this heat goes away. And also I'm looking forward to some decoration. I haven't done any like major decorations or anything for my channel. Well, I do it for Christmas sometimes. I decorate for Christmas, and sometimes I have shared with you guys how I decorate my house for Christmas. But I do plan on, well, I want to get a couple of themes so I can just change my house up a bit, maybe my living room. That'll be for another video, but in the comments below, let me know what your plans are for this coming fall. What are you guys planning on doing? Is there any vacation that you guys have in mind? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. I am going to be popping a couple of balloons. We just did like a mini little party. It wasn't that big. It was just for the fun of it. I think now that we have our son, we just like to make things a little bit more fun. I've always been that kind of person where when we have like a small gathering or a small party, I've always liked to do like a lot of funny things. For example, in balloons or in piñatas, I used to put flour as like a joke or prank. Well, that was in my early 20s. Nowadays, I'm like, that was pretty mean of me, but my family enjoyed it. They actually laughed, and they still laugh about it. The other day, my mother-in-law was telling us about it. She's like, hey, you remember when you put flour in the piñata? And I'm like, oh my, I did that? Like, that was mean. And they were laughing. They thought it was funny. It's not like I put a whole bunch, but they thought it was funny, and I couldn't remember that until she reminded me of it. But like I said, I've always been like that fun person, and I think that sometimes we forget to be that fun person. So I always like to, at least when we have a gathering, to play a couple of games just to make it fun, just so it'll be memorable, right? They'll be like, hey, we're gonna play a couple games, and I like hearing my family laugh. I like seeing their smiles, seeing them happy when we have a family get together. Some people would say that the not so fun part about having a party is the aftermath, right? All the cleanup, the mess that you have to do. But I think that whenever you think about all the laughs or that fun time that you had with your family, it's all worth it. And you can even make it fun yourself. You can put your favorite music, you can listen to a podcast, and time will fly. Trust me, you'll be like, wait a minute, I want to keep cleaning because this podcast isn't over, or I want to keep cleaning because I'm having a good time and listening to music. Always try to make it fun, and I guarantee you that it's going to be worth it. And you're even going to forget that you're cleaning. You're going to enjoy it. Time to clean the bathroom. This was disorganized, messy, and when I say messy, when I have to scrub quite a bit, then that means it was messy. I had to scrub the sink, and I used, it's a Fabuloso or a Pine Sol. It's one that smells very fruity, like roses. I liked it a lot. I know that I have to go out and purchase another one, but first I want to get rid of all the cleaning products that I have under the sink before I buy anything else. I think it's Piñalen. Yeah, that's the one. That one smells so good, you guys. I highly recommend it. I'm going to be cleaning the toilet, vacuuming, and that's pretty much it, you guys. You guys have reached the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end. Yay! I want to give you guys a big virtual hug. Thanks for clicking on my video, for sticking around. I hope that this video motivated you guys to cleaning your home as well. Take care, guys. May God bless you all, and I will see you that you're listening and watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.